Hello, those who are joining first time on Soul Sync, welcome to my channel. This channel is for growth, peace and happiness. If you like the meditation, please like and subscribe to our channel to get more updates like these. Today we will be focusing on meditation for confidence and grounding. You can sit in a comfortable position. Take a deep breath in and slowly release. Once again, try and breathe till your belly. Take a deep breath in and slowly release. Close your eyes. Allow your body to relax. Once again, take a deep breath in till your belly and slowly release. You are now in a relaxing position. Feel the surface beneath you, safe, steady, and holding you completely. With every exhale, let go of tension in your shoulders, jaw, and chest. Inhale deeply, and while you exhale, let go of the tension in your body. You are safe, you are supported, you are present. Now imagine roots extending from the soles of your feet deep into the earth. These roots are strong, stable, and unshakable. With each inhale, feel the earth sending you strength, balance, and calm energies. With each exhale, release any stress, self-doubt, or fear, and let the earth carry all the negative feelings away from you. Silently repeat, I am grounded, I am stable, I am strong. Inhale deeply, bring in strength, balance, and calm energies from earth. Exhale slowly, releasing stress, self-doubt, or fear into the earth. Now bring your attention to your chest, your heart center. Imagine a golden light glowing there. This light is warm, powerful, and radiant. With every breath, this golden light expands, slowly filling your body with courage, peace, and confidence. Feel the light rising up through your chest, shoulders, face, your arms, your legs, slowly filling your entire body with courage and confidence and peace. See yourself standing tall, open, and unshakable. silently affirm, I trust myself. I believe in my abilities. I radiate confidence. Take a deep breath in, trusting yourself, believing in your abilities, and slowly exhale. Now picture yourself in a situation where you want to feel confident, maybe speaking on stage, leading a team, walking into a room, or talking to a senior. See yourself moving with ease, grounded in strength, and radiating self-assurance. Notice how people respond positively to your energy. Stay with this vision. Feel the power in your body, the calm in your mind, and the strength in your heart. You're confident. You're radiating self-assurance. Take a deep breath in. Slowly exhale. Now repeat silently. I am confident. I am calm. I am capable. I am grounded. I am confident. I am calm. I am capable. I am grounded in strength. Now take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Bring your hands to your heart. Whisper or think, I am grateful for my strength. I am grounded and I am confident. Bring this grounded confidence with you into the rest of your day and into the following week. See yourself being grateful, being grounded, and being confident. Take a deep breath in. Feel the energy. Be in that energy. Slowly exhale. Now when you are ready, gently move your fingers, your toes, and you can now slowly open your eyes. If you liked our meditation, please subscribe to our channel Soul Sync for more such meditations and videos on life coaching, happiness, growth, and peace. Thank you for listening.